This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 34F is a Class A RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor kitchen. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Hurricane 34F is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.